Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as a faulty display or internal connections. If left unattended, it can lead to more severe damage, making your device unusable. To start this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement screen for your Thermomix TM5. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged from the power source. Begin by gently prying open the sides of the device using the plastic opening tool. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this can damage the casing. Once you've carefully opened the device, locate the display unit. It is typically secured with screws at the back. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the display in place. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the cables attached to the display, taking care not to pull too hard, as this can damage the connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old display removed, take your new screen and connect the cables just as they were previously attached. Make sure they are secure and fitted correctly. Next, align the new display with the screw holes and replace the screws to secure it in place. Once everything is tightened, carefully press the casing back together, ensuring that no cables are pinched in the process. After closing the device, plug it back in and power it on to check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If the display lights up, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM5. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your device is not exposed to extreme temperatures or moisture, and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.